Hey everyone, my name is Zora, and today I'm going to show you how to find a family physician in Alberta. So, what you have to do, you will go to, the website. I'm gonna go back here to show you. So, you're gonna go to website Alberta, find a provider. Okay, I'm gonna put a link in the description there for this website. I'm gonna click on this one. So this is the first one, home. Alberta, find a provider. Once you are here, what you will do, you will go here, find provider accepting new patient near you. You're gonna write on Calgary, or I'm looking for someone in uh, Ranch Land. Okay, Ranch Land. I'm looking in that area. Okay, so here you can put the preference whether you want to see a male doctor or female doctor, or you don't have any preference. Let me put as a female. I am looking for a female doctor and who can speak, my language. Like you can speak, choose any language there, and they will find someone who can speak these languages. So let's take something here. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do here Hindi. Okay, so then you're going to click find a provider. So this will show up here. So what you will see here, it will show you near your, all the clinics you are near to your location. So you will click on, you can click first one, or you can go and look for the addresses and choose whatever suits best to you. Like suppose I'm gonna go and I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, so what I can see here, this is the clinic name, this is the address of the clinic. If you want to check the direction, you can click here and check the direction, and this is the contact information of the clinic. And here are the physicians who are accepting the new patient. All the physicians who are accepting the new patient, there is a green check mark here. So these physicians are accepting new patient. You can book with one of them. Okay, and I wanted to show you this thing here. If you will see this, not accepting new patients, so there is a physician in the clinic, but that physician is not accepting the new patient. So what you will do, you suppose you wanted to make an appointment with one of these doctor, you're gonna call on this number and you are going to book your first appointment with them. Some call that meet and greet. So this is the way you can find a provider or find a family doctor in Alberta. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section and I will be happy to support you. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to hear from you.